Hello everybody, this is Supriya Kadam and welcome back to our channel. So today is 18th April, right? 18th April, the foundation of Ellen Academy. So on this day, for the celebration, maybe we have gotten the Ellen kit. After the admission, obviously. So basically, I'm in 10th standard. So according to 10th standard, the fees is near about 47,000. Means near about 50,000. I know it's too expensive, but and at the same time, I'm feeling fortunate to be in a very great academy. So on this day, it's 18 April, and obviously we have been offered a lot of the things, like they have given us the off periods. We have just had a lot of the fun today, and we also have been offered chocolates, and afterwards we have gotten the Ellen kit, obviously after the admission. So let's check it out, ki what are the things that we get offered in that Ellen kit. Are you ready for it? Let's get to it. Hey there. So this is the Ellen kit that we have gotten after the admission, and this is the bag and all the things, all my belongings which I used to use yet, but from now on this is what I'm gonna use. I'll have to use, even though if I wouldn't like, because see the quality, like my past wala bag was super beautiful, and this is what I've liked, not this one. So I've liked the quality of bag is this one. So let's check it out, what's inside these things. Okay, so first of all, let's tear up it. यहाँ पर रख देते हैं. So इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है, I guess. यहाँ पर we have been offered these 2 t-shirts. कैसी लगेगी मुझ पे? I'll try it out later. So afterwards, this is what we have been offered. This is the umbrella. Wow, this is cute. I've liked this faint green color, but kind of the color combination is not, I guess, that fabulous. Let's see what happens if we just get opened. Wow, you see how beautiful it is? That's amazing. I've liked it. It's fabulous. Okay, so afterwards, let me just close it up and check what all the other things are. Okay, यहाँ पर इसको कैसे लगता है यार? मुझे सब कुछ निकालना आता है, तोड़ना आता है, सब कुछ फोड़ना आता है, बट जब बात आती है मैं ऐसे ही रख देने वाली हूँ, क्योंकि ये मेरे पास का नहीं है वापस रखूँ. सो अगेन आफ्टरवर्ड्स, दिस इज़ व्हाट वी हैव बीन ऑफर्ड. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो द academy name यहाँ पर, but personally I've liked my own bottle. Really, this is not that good. I don't like this. I would use this. I'm gonna use this one, and for the bag as well, I'm gonna use my own bag. I'm not gonna use this one. I didn't like it, and this is so small, and I'm in 10th, and personally I carry all of my books. Like I'll carry textbooks, I'll carry modules, I'll carry my school's notebooks and textbooks, my tuition's notebooks. I carry everything like related to study every day. So I don't think that this will be enough space for all of my stuff. So I guess I'll carry this one rather than this. So this is the next thing, Ellen pen. Like literally they have even, oh, can you see the Ellen name here? Like they have Ellen written on everything and everywhere. Even today also in the tuition, because of it was their foundation day. There was lighting, celebration everywhere. Everyone was happy, I guess. I don't know. And like there was Ellen everywhere. Like there were banners. There were this like shops and all. There were this advertisements which is just posted Ellen. Oh God, I was like, what is this? Like advertisement on the next level, dude. So afterwards, this is what all the modules are. So यहाँ पर all the teachers. I guess these all teachers are the founders of the academy. So I'm in 10th standard. So this is the mental ability book. Oh, that's amazing. And these are, I guess, my modules. Let's check it out. Okay. Oh God, I don't think that this is going to be. I would ever be able to open this. Let me just try it. Okay, it is opening. Oh, what? Okay, I did it. अब ये ऐसे है. ये कैसे निकालते हैं? Okay, from this way. Because of my nails are very sharp, it is getting more easier for me to open it. Oh. So finally, after a very hard work, I've opened this. So यहाँ पर क्या क्या लिखा है? यहाँ पर बहुत कुछ लिखा है, which I really don't understand any single thing from it. यहाँ पर लिखा है C, study material, pre, nurture and career foundation. Test F1. यहाँ पर I guess there are some of the details about the academy, and these are some of the details about the products. So let's open and see what are the things inside. Oh, फिर से packing है, बाप रे. Okay, wow. This is how the package should be now. So यहाँ पर I've opened it. So these are the modules of Ellen Academy of 10th Standard. I know that wasn't that loud, but that was. Let's see क्या क्या होता है. Like this mathematics part 2. This is mathematics part 1. This is my chemistry 1 part 1. Physics part 1. Wow, physics is my favorite one. Although I really don't get good enough marks in the physics, but still I like physics. I love physics. Weird fact. This is biology 1. This is mental ability. What? Social science? Really? This is not of my any use. These two modules are really not of my use because these are, I guess, CBSE or NCERT textbooks. And I'm a state board student from the school. And I do NCERT study and CBSE study of science and maths from my tuition. That's it. I've joined tuition just for the science and maths. And here they have really given everything here. Oh God, it's gonna go very hard for me to manage these CBSE from the tuition and to manage that state board of the school. And moreover, it's my 10th board. I don't know how am I gonna manage it, but still, I'll let you know about my 10th board result. So these all are part 1 modules. After some months, I guess, they'll give us part 2 of every subject, part 2 module of every subject. If there's part 3, then I'll even get the part 3 वाला module. So अब तक के लिए part 1 के सारे modules मिल चुके हैं. And there's one bottle, there's one pen, पता नहीं. Okay, this umbrella, these 2 t-shirts, and this one bag. ये भी अच्छा है, but I don't like this. I didn't like this. ये क्या है? ये तो देखना पड़ेगा. This is neutral one. So this is what I loved it. Because ये बहुत ही detail में रहता है and बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से रहता है। हर एक एलन के हर एक मॉड्यूल्स आई हैव रेड अ लॉट ऑफ द टाइम्स, आई हैव चेक्ड अ लॉट ऑफ द टाइम्स कि हर एक मॉड्यूल एलन का बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से लाइक सरल तरीके से अरेंज किया होता है, which really goes easy for the students to go through it. So this is what all the LN kit is. यहाँ पर modules, pen, umbrella, these t-shirts, this water bottle, and this bag. This all is the LN kit. Now let's keep it inside. I'm gonna wear this right now and I'll show you how this t-shirt looks on me. Hey there, so I'm right here after wearing the uniform. Personally, I literally like this uniform a lot क्योंकि इसका क्लॉथ बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल है, ये टी शर्ट बहुत कंफर्टेबल है, अकॉर्डिंग टू द गर्ल्स सेफ्टी बहुत ही ज़्यादा, मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल है। इसका क्लॉथ बहुत ज़्यादा थिन नहीं है, नॉर बहुत ज़्यादा थिक है, बहुत ही अमेजिंग है। सो दिस इज़ माई लुक ऑन द यूनिफॉर्म। यहाँ पर ऐसा है ना रूल कि तुम कौन सा भी पैंट पहन सकते हो, बट यू गोट कंपल्सरी वेयर द टी शर्ट विच इज ऑल द यूनिफॉर्म इज।
Yeah, this is how I'm looking on this uniform. Please, if you like it, then like, share, subscribe, obviously. And दूसरा वीडियो, नेक्स्ट वीडियो आपको कौन से चाहिए, कौन से सब्जेक्ट में चाहिए, दैट आल्सो प्लीज राइट डाउन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। एंड आपको कैसा लगा वो भी लिखना। व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट द एलन अकेडमी। मैंने तो मेरा व्यू शेयर किया है वहाँ पर एलन अकेडमी। इफ़ यू वांट, सो एज यू नो कि आई एम स्टूडेंट ऑफ एलन अकेडमी, so if you want review on this academy, then please write down in the comment section. I'll particularly make another video for that कि मुझे कैसा लगता है एज एन एलन स्टूडेंट, मुझे वहाँ पर उस अकेडमी के बारे में कैसा लगता है, उसमें स्टडी करके कैसा लगता है, दैट इज़ गुड फॉर स्टडी और नॉट, शुड यू टू गेट एडमिशन फॉर इन इट और नॉट। सो
यहाँ हो ये क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? सो हाउ यू, आपको कैसा लगा ये ज़रूर कमेंट करके सो ये वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा प्लीज़ कमेंट डाउन इन द सेक्शन बिलो। आज मेरे से ये वीडियो बन पाएगी या नहीं यार? सो आपको कैसा लगा प्लीज़ कमेंट में लिख के बताइएगा। एंड अगर आपको कुछ आज मेरा सच में रियल वीडियो होगा या नहीं, ओके, सो सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो।